For quite some time now, I've enjoyed going into the woods, and sometimes I run in the woods and sometimes I walk. And when I was younger, I used to go wooding and collecting conkers with my father. And when I go into the woods now, I find that I feel more connected, more at peace. And when I come out of the woods, I find that I also feel more at peace, my mind is clearer, and my overall well-being has improved. And a few days ago, me and a friend went into the woods and did some filming for his business, and I ended up holding the camera while he did some walking, and then afterwards he added his own words to the footage. And now you are going to see what took place, and I think it's a great video. So here we go.
The forest is such a peaceful place. It's a place I often choose to return to reconnect with myself and with nature. As my feet connect with the earth beneath me, I immediately begin to feel more balanced and grounded. Emotionally, I am calm, and my thoughts become settled as I release any issues of the past or any concerns for the future. I am at one with the now. I am present, and for now, that is all that matters.
I think that in that video, my friend Wayne really nailed it. There was something about that video that just really touched me at a deeper level. So if you find that you don't spend much time in nature, I would highly recommend that you take the time each week to spend a little while there, and you are sure to reap the benefits of being in nature.